Chauncey Hunter Jr. here with Real Tax Business Success. I help tax professionals get to the next level in their particular area or niche of the tax industry. This question that I'm answering today relates to clients and relationships. How can I build relationships with my clients on an ongoing basis so they never leave and they refer new clients to my tax business? It's a great question. I highly recommend as you're unique and people are already attracted to doing business with you, whatever you're doing, you need to be telling your story, who you are, what you do, but you need to be telling it not just during tax season and not just when you see them face to face when they come in. You actually need to be proactively communicating, ongoing, investing in your customers and to keep them in this cage around your customer base so they have no business, no idea that they even want to go talk to some other accountant or some other tax professional. You want to invest. If you're spending $300, $400 to get a new client or whatever you're investing and you're happy because you're going to be having this ongoing money flow coming in year after year, you want to spend $5, $10, $15, $20 in a year in the off season just to keep them and make sure they're coming back and have them to refer. So a lot of ways people do that is just be open, build rapport, but just be open about their story. They're not boring about it. They just tell what's going on, build rapport. They do it with emails. They do it with paper and ink, where they're printing and mailing actual newsletters every month. Postcards, every month with funny pictures that help tell the story about you and them and why you continue to do business. You're investing, you're building rapport, and they don't forget about you. You'll get referrals just by doing this automatically, number one, but you'll keep more clients, number two, from not going off and leaving. 80% of the reason why people leave and go to somewhere else is not because you did a bad job. It's because they got bored and they just chose to do somebody else. And they just see you as this once a time that they go get their taxes done. And that's not a great way to build a long-term business with. So if you're investing on an ongoing basis with different ways, media, print, email, postcard, online, you're doing some things, fun videos on your website, whatever you're doing, I suggest also having a party. I suggest having a special event. I suggest having times throughout the year where they can actually gather and come to your office. I know one particular gentleman who has a birthday party and he has it at a local restaurant and actually has a free party, customer appreciation. Everybody comes, free food, free drinks, but you got to come. You got to bring a gag gift. You got to come, give them a gift, and you got to bring a friend, someone who's not already a client. And so, a coworker, a neighbor, a friend, and it's just a fun party. It's no big pitch. It's just a big party. Everybody eats, drinks. Everybody's merry. There's a big tent on the back patio. And there's an opportunity that everybody gets handed a goodie bag for being at the party, and in that bag there is a promotional piece about doing business with their tax office. And there's referral slips and things. And so it generates a lot of word of mouth, and he gets a lot more money from the actual referrals. More clients stay with him ongoing, and then more referrals later on right then and also next tax season. And so he might spend $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 on this big party, and he has a lot of fun, but it actually ends up being his main marketing piece, his main promotional piece for word of mouth in that particular city, is because no other accountants are doing this. And so takes a lot of pictures, puts them in his newsletter. He has fun with it. And so you can do something like that, but there's a lot of ways you can skin this cat. The point is you're building rapport, you're building relationships, and you're keeping more of your clients, but you're also having more active ways to get more referrals than just the normal ways accountants or tax professionals do it. If you enjoyed this short nugget of information on how to maximize your success in the tax business, I've got 20 more videos just like it. You go to www.taxmarketing.com/free videos. Thank you very much.